In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Roblox if it's not updating on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. Right, the very first thing you need to do is check if the Roblox server is down. So sometimes the Roblox server is down, it's not working. You gotta go to their website and see whether or not the servers are running or they're doing maintenance, because there's a lot of times that they're doing maintenance, so you just need to be very patient about it. And after that, try restarting your Windows PC. So you know how to do this. Just go to your desktop and press Alt F4, or just restart it from the button, the restart button. You know how to do this, right? It's very simple. And then the next and last thing you need to do is check your internet speed. So right now we are in speedtest.net, and just check your internet if it's up to par with your normal speed. If it's not, then try restarting the router. And then if it doesn't still work, because Roblox is an online game, so it highly dependent on your internet connection. So if this doesn't work, try restarting your router. If that still doesn't work, try contacting your ISP provider and see whether or not there's an outage on your area, or if there is, again, be patient. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.